Big news in the financial industry. There's a 100% chance the Fed will cut rates in September. The stock market is surging to record levels. Joining us now is pro trader Tim Biggam of Delta Derivatives. Tim, September is on the table, but there is chatter that rate cut could happen in July. What are your three to watch in the market today?
Yeah, the one thing I think that has come to the forefront a little bit is, will the Fed actually lower rates in July at the July meeting at the end of the month? Certainly, September was kind of baked in the cake earlier, but given the kind of political climate, there are some rumors going out there. The Fed may move it to July lower than to avoid kind of that election period that starts kind of the end of September when the next Fed meeting post-July is. So we'll see about that. Also seeing stocks finally start to stall out here. Certainly those big names, the NVIDIAs, the Microsofts of the world, losing some of their momentum here. Even Apple having a struggle here to head higher. So I think given the fact that valuations are very rich and we're entering into a seasonally kind of bearish period, August and September, the worst 2 months over the past 20 years, I think stocks may have a little trouble heading higher here. And then finally, crypto had the big rip higher. That too is starting to succumb to a little bit of profit taking. So I think overall we're probably due for a consolidation at best, but a pullback more likely over the next month and a half or so. So I'm preparing accordingly.
Let's get your trade of the day.
I'm actually looking at shorting Apple in a guarded fashion here. The stock recently made new all-time highs, got upgraded, but valuations are off the charts high. Price to sales pushing towards 10 times the highest ever by far. This is for a $3.5 trillion market cap stock. So I'm just going out, taking advantage of earnings coming out in a couple of weeks here in Apple, selling out of the money call spreads, positioned to be a seller on a further rally from here in Apple. If not, getting paid richly to take that position if needed.
Oh, it's tough for traders to bet against Apple for too long. Thank you, Tim.
You bet. Anytime, Ange. Take care.
Go to businessfirstam.com for where to see our show on TV.